Are you in need of wireless and portable lighting? Our battery adapter for LEDs offers you the perfect solution. With this adapter, you can use DeWalt batteries and generics of same design to power 24-volt LED strips. LED lighting can give a huge boost to the aesthetics of a booth at a trade show. Now, thanks to the battery adapter, achieving this boost is easier than ever. Another setting in which portable lighting excels is restaurants. Tables toward the center of the room can become isolated from power outlets. Now with this battery adapter, you can have lighting that is independent of plug points. Also, there'll never be a problem when you want to change up your seating arrangements. These battery-powered tube lights proved themselves to be the optimal solution for event lighting. They lit up this dinner party for 3 hours, without a change of batteries. The adapter comes with a built-in fuse and switch, which is designed to fit neatly into a drilled hole. When creating battery-powered lighting, we recommend integrating a Kasambi controller. This allows you to control the lights from your smartphone using the Kasambi app, giving you increased functionality. This demo module consists of 2 RGB strips, inside Smoky's 38 profiles, and powered by batteries. Each tube is wired through a Kasambi PWM4. Call us today, and set the Wired for Signs team to work, building your very own custom LED lights. Thanks for watching. We hope that you found this video helpful, and we look forward to creating more like it in the future.